let us now solve a sum based on the concept we've studied so far. This particular sum here deals with the addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication, and transpose of matrices. Let's read the question first. Given we have matrix A equal to 1, 2, minus 2, 3, matrix B equal to minus 2, minus 1, 1, and 2, and C equals to 0, 3, 2, minus 1. We want to find the value of A plus 2B minus 3C transpose. The first thing that we would like to do over here is probably, we've been given the value of matrix C. Let's find the value of C transpose. So we know C, matrix C, is equal to 0, 3, 2, minus 1. I can find the value of C transpose from that. This implies that let's use a different color for this. This implies that, this would imply that C transpose, let's use this color here, C transpose is equal to, remember, when you're transposing any matrix, the rows become columns. So 0, 3, which is the first row, becomes the first column, and 2 minus 1, the second row, becomes the second column, right? So now we have the value of C transpose. Now all we need to do is substitute these values over here. We need to find the value of A, let's use the same colors as in the question, plus 2 into matrix B minus 3 into C transpose, right? So this would be equal to matrix A. Let's just substitute the value of matrix A here, which is 1, 2, minus 2, 3, right? Then we have plus 2B plus 2 times of matrix B, which is minus 2, minus 1, 1, and 2, right? Minus 3C, so minus 3 times of C transpose, minus 3C transpose. And over here we've already found the value of C transpose to be 0, 2, 3, minus 1. Remember, transposing a matrix makes the rows into columns and the columns into rows. Alright, so this is the equation that we need to solve. The first step I'd always suggest is to perform the scalar multiplications. So if I had to continue from here, I'd say this entire thing is equal to matrix A as it is, no scalar multiplication happening here. So 1, 2, minus 2, and 3. Here we have plus. Now this, remember, scalar multiplication is just each element being multiplied by the scalar value. So matrix 2B would effectively be 2 into minus 2, which is minus 4, 2 into minus 1, which is minus 2, 2 into 1, which is 2, and 2 into 2, which will become 4, right? Same way for the next set over here, which is 3 times of C transpose. So 3 times of 0 makes it 0, 3 times of 2 will give me 6, 3 times of 3 will make it 9, and 3 times of minus 1, minus 3. Okay, further, now we just, so all the scalar multiplications are completed now. Now all we are left with is the addition and subtraction of the matrices. So let's just do that in one single step. Let's just consider all of the values under one single matrix, right? Remember, whenever we are adding and subtracting matrices, we add and subtract the corresponding elements. So the first element here is 1 plus, the second element we have here is minus 4, right? And then minus, third element that we have to take is 0, right? So that's my first row, first column element. So let's go to the first row, second column now. The first value here is 2. Then we have a plus sign. Then minus 2, right? Minus 2. Then we have to subtract. 6 from that. Right, that's my first row second column. Now let's move on to my second row first column. So I have -2 over here and -2. Let's put that in a bracket to always stay clear. Then plus, I have a 2 over here, +2, and then minus, and I have 9 over here, so 9. Right, that's my second row first column. Now on to the second row second column. First value here is 3, and then is plus. Second value is 4. So 4. Third value is minus, and your third value is -3. So -3. Alright, so we've accommodated all our values now. I guess we are almost going to get the answer now, so we can directly write this down. So final answer, we have A plus 2 times of B, maintaining the color coding here, minus 3 times of C transpose, right? The final answer. That will be equal to, let's just solve each and every value here. So we have 1 plus -4 minus 0. So 1 plus -4, which is 1 minus 4, that makes it -3. -3 minus 0 will keep it as -3. The second element here is 2 plus -2, so that gets cancelled. So that's 0, and then we have a -6 over here, so -6. Right? Again, we have a -2 plus 2, so -2 and +2 will get cancelled. We are left with a -9. And then finally, we have a 3 plus 4 minus of -3. So that makes it minus makes it plus. So that makes it 3 plus 4, which is 7. And 7 plus 3, this will make it 10. Right. So this here is our final answer. Let's make a box around it. Right.